Hey, welcome back to part 5. This will be really easy. Just going to do a little solving equation of variables in the denominator. So we want to do a quick review. So we want to look at the GCF of 6x squared plus 27x minus 54. So obviously our GCF here is going to be 3. You can factor out of 3 and you're left with 2x squared, and you can factor out 3 here, you're left with 9x. And you factor out a 3 here, you're left with negative 18. Okay, next one will be the diamond. So most of you are familiar with that. You put the 8 on the bottom, negative 20 on top. Two numbers multiply give you this, add to give you that would be 10 and negative 2. Does that work? Yeah, 10 minus 2, 10 times. Good. So your factors would be x plus 10 and x minus 2. And then remember, if you can't factor something out, you have to do the box. So let me give you an example of that. That would be 5x squared plus 28x minus 12. So remember, I always put the 5x squared there and the negative 12 there. And then you have to multiply these two. Negative 5x squared times negative 12 gives you negative 60x squared, and you put the 28 on the bottom. Two numbers multiply give you that, add to give you that would be 30x and negative 2x. Remember, I put the one on the left, and the one on the right. So this part is easy. Just factor out your GCF. GCF here will be 5x, and GCF here will be just, you can say 1x or just x. GCF here will be negative 2. GCF here will be 6. And then you can check by just multiplying your factors, and it works. So what would be what? Your factor form would be 5x minus 2 and x plus 6. And remember, this is just review, so this should just be review. Okay, next part. Remember, difference of two squares. I know it's been a while. So you can say what squared would give you x squared. That would have to be x, and then what square gives you 9 would be 3. So it would be x plus 3 and x minus 3. So if it was 25, it'd be x plus 5 and x minus 20. 36 would be x plus 6 and x minus 36. Remember, it's a little bit harder when you have something in front of the x squared. Well, what square gives you 9x squared would be 3x. And what square gives you 64 would be 8. Yeah. So your factor form would just be 3x plus 8 and 3x minus 8. And that's it. I'll see you in part 6. If you want to see part 6, it looks like this.